Thanks for tuning in to video number 3 about constipation and kidney disease. In the first 2 videos, we talk about Miralax, we talk about fiber, we talk about water, we talk about other ways that you can improve constipation and kidney disease and using some safe laxatives. This video is going to be about proper squatting position, something that's shown to help. And this is coming from the Renal Replacement Therapy Journal, and that's in December 2019. And they talk about constipation and kidney disease. And it's constipation and chronic kidney disease. It is time to reconsider. So that's the name of the piece of research if you want to go check it out yourself. And one of the methods they talk about in there is trying a squatting position when trying to relieve constipation. And squatting, like just squatting straight down, is ideally the way that you should be pooping based on the way your rectum begins pointing downwards, and there's a whole science behind this, but it's shown to help and improve constipation. Now, by sitting on toilet seats, it doesn't allow for suboptimal pooping position. So they do have these things called poop stools. You can look up these poop stools on anywhere on the internet if you want to see what they look like. The basic concept is to try to get your knees a little higher than your hips so that it places your rectum in an easier position to poop. Now, you can use any type of stool. I have one here. Okay, it's a basic stool. And all you're doing is you're sitting on your toilet seat and putting your feet on here so it elevates your knees higher. And as I mentioned, you can see a lot of other pictures, probably some videos here on YouTube about those poop stools. But any type of stool you can start with, and that's a simple, natural option that you can do to help constipation if you have constipation and kidney disease. Thanks for watching, everybody. Comment, like, subscribe into your best kidney health. Bye.